Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you some of the French words along with their equivalent slangs. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you certain French words along with their equivalent slangs. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just begin with this video. So first of all, I would like to tell you what exactly are the slangs. Slangs are the words which you use more while spoken French, while speaking French. So they exist in all the languages, not just in French, but they exist in all the languages. So if you're traveling to any francophone countries such as France or Canada, these words are used. You will see francophones using these words more while speaking. So if you know certain words which are slangs, that will help you make better friends over there. That will help you speak like a local over there. So let's just start. And the first word which I'm going to give you, here I've written the words in standard French which you use while writing, and these are the words which you use while speaking, right? Now, but both of them mean the same thing. The first one is un ami. Un ami. Now, all of you know un ami, which means a friend. But in spoken French, we say un pote. Un pote. Un pote, again, the meaning is same, a friend. Un ami, un pote. Un enfant. Un enfant. The equivalent slang is un gosse. You will see all these slangs being used in any of the French series or movies. So they won't really say un enfant because they're speaking, so they'll use more of un gosse. Next is un livre. Un livre. The equivalent slang is un bouquin. Un bouquin. And from here comes the verb bouquiner. Bouquiner. The same thing, add an er over here. It becomes bouquiner. Now bouquiner, that means to read. That is the equivalent slang for saying lire. Now lire, which means to read. So bouquiner is the equivalent slang for lire. Now un livre, which means a book, the equivalent slang is un bouquin. Un bouquin. The next one is l'argent. L'argent. L'argent, which means the money. Now, the equivalent slang is le fric. Le fric. There are so many other ways of saying money in slang, but I've chosen one of it. So, this is le fric. Le fric. The next one is la bicyclette. Bicyclette, or I can say le vélo. Both of them mean the same thing. Now the equivalent slang is la bécane. La bécane. On répète. Un ami, un pote. Un enfant, un gosse. Un livre, un bouquin. L'argent, le fric. Et finalement, la bicyclette ou le vélo, the equivalent slang is la bécane. Moving on to the next one is les chaussures. Les chaussures. Chaussures, all of us know, it means the shoes. Now what is the equivalent slang for that? Les godasses. Les godasses. Les chaussures, les godasses. The next one, le travail. Le travail, the work or the employment or the job that you do. The equivalent slang is le boulot. Le boulot.
le travail, le boulot. The next one is la chambre. La chambre, which means the bedroom. Now, equivalent slang is la piole. La piole. La piole. The next one is la maison. La maison, which means the house. Now, equivalent slang is la baraque. La baraque. La baraque. The next one is la nourriture. La nourriture, which means the food. And the equivalent slang is la bouffe. La bouffe. La bouffe. Les godasses, le boulot, la piole, la baraque, la bouffe. Moving on to the next one is le policier. Le policier. Policier, which means the policeman. Now the equivalent slang is le flic. Le flic. Le flic. Le réfrigérateur. Le réfrigérateur, so which is the refrigerator. Now in English also we say that, in common language we say that as a fridge. So le réfrigérateur, the equivalent slang is le frigo. Le frigo. Frigo. The next one is la prison. La prison. Prison, which means the prison. Now the equivalent slang is la tôle. La tôle. La tôle. The next one is la voiture. La voiture. Voiture, which means the car. Now the equivalent slang is la bagnole. La bagnole. Bagnole. The next one is la chose. La chose, which means the thing. Now there are various ways of saying that. I have selected two of them. One is le truc. Le truc. And the next one is le machin. Le machin. So you can say le truc or you can say le machin. On répète. Le policier, le flic, le réfrigérateur, le frigo. La prison, la tôle. La voiture, la bagnole. La chose, le truc ou le machin. Alright, moving on to the next one, I'm going to give you two verbs. The first verb is manger. Manger. All of us know that means to eat. Now the equivalent slang is bouffer. Now you remember in the previous slide we did la nourriture. La nourriture, which means the food. And the equivalent slang was la bouffe. La bouffe. From here only the verb has come, bouffer. So manger, the equivalent slang is bouffer. The next one is aimer. Aimer, which means to like, and the equivalent slang is kiffer. 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 Les cheveux. Les cheveux, which means the hair. Now the equivalent slang is les tifs. Les tifs. Les cheveux, and the equivalent slang is les tifs. The next one is le nez. Le nez, which means the nose. And the equivalent slang is le pif. Le pif. Le pif. The next one, le parapluie. Le parapluie. Parapluie, which means the umbrella. And the equivalent slang is le pépin. Le pépin. Le pépin. We repeat. Manger, bouffer. Aimer, kiffer. Les cheveux, les tifs. Le nez, le pif. Le parapluie et le pépin. Moving on to the next one is les vêtements. Les vêtements. Vêtements, which means the clothes. Now the slang is les fringues. Les fringues. Les fringues. L'eau. L'eau, the water. The equivalent slang is la flotte. La flotte. Les toilettes. Toilettes, which means the toilet, and the equivalent slang is les chiottes. Les chiottes. Les chiottes. La femme, the lady or the woman. The equivalent slang is la meuf. La femme, la meuf. La meuf. The next one and the last one is la cigarette. La cigarette, which means the cigarette. That's known as la clope. La clope. Les vêtements, les fringues. L'eau, la flotte. Les toilettes, les chiottes. la femme, la meuf. Et finalement, la cigarette, la clope. And that's it for this video. In case you know any other word along with their French equivalent slangs, mention them in the comment section below. I am going to read them out. And that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.